silence is louder. Spend enough, but my finance is louder. I'm not the type to abuse all my power. Real